So hello there, it's Sunday, it's 13th of November, so I'm going to give you a plot tour. So we're starting at the back here. This is my wildlife area, back of the shed. So it has my pond, so there's lots of little froglets in there. And at the back, it's a bit messy, but I'm leaving it like that. That's just for all the wildlife over the winter. So my strawberries are here. And this here is my asparagus patch, so I've cleared it, so I put all the ferns at the back there for the wildlife. So I'm going to get a load of well rotted manure on top of here just to give it a bit of a boost again. And then this bit here is it's normally the kids patch. So last year they had melons, they normally have peas around the sides and then strawberries there. So I have planted some peas early, so these are Douce Provence, so they can be overwintered, and I'll get some early peas next year. I've just got to make sure I protect it from the pigeons, which I have. So next year little Ollie wants loofahs, so yeah, we're going to try loofahs next year. So these are my sheds. It's a bit rough and ready, but it works. So that's slanted, so the water will run into this guttering. And obviously there's guttering all around this roof, so that will feed into this RBC tank. And then I've got that roof, and then this canopy here which runs into this RBC tank, and then a secondary roof here just runs off and then waters the strawberries. So yeah, if we go to this back patch, so this is my problem area because it's on a slope. Oh my god, look! Hello, mister. Oh, you don't look well, do you? Looks like you got mange. Hello. Hello. I wish I could have some food for you, mister. Hello. Sorry about that, it's the first time I've seen a fox here. So anyway, this patch is a problem area because it's on a slope. It gets boggy here. It's quite compacted with the clay as well. I have had it no dig for the last sort of 3 years. I had some potatoes in this year, but because of the drought it didn't do very well. So I've dug it, added sand, some of my own homemade compost, some leaves, just to try and regenerate it really. So I think that's going to be next year's onions and peas and runner beans on that patch. So this was my onion patch. Not too sure what's going in here. And this one as well, I'm not too sure. It's all got green manure in at the moment. And then this is my garlic enclosure. You can see the garlic's popped up. So I've put this mesh on it to stop the leaf miner. It's still so mild. Carrots. And this was the old sweet corn patch, so I'm not too sure what's going in here. And this patch is going to be the brassicas, so I'm going to move that enclosure to here. So this is all prepared. And then not too sure what's going to go into this patch, maybe sweet corn. And then this is the flower bed. Got lots of bulbs in here as well, so things like snowdrops and crocuses and things like that will pop up first. So I've just cut everything, so the nasturtiums and dahlias, cosmos, I've just chopped up and I'll just lay it on there for mulch. So I'm not going to dig the dahlias out, I'll just mulch them. They'll survive. So yeah, that's it. That's my walkthrough. See you soon.